In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT without a phone number by signing up with Google or Apple. If you want quick access to ChatGPT without entering a phone number, this method is for you. We'll use your existing Google or Apple account for authentication, which is a secure and convenient way to get started. Make sure you're using the official ChatGPT app from a trusted app store and that it's up to date so the sign-up screens look familiar. Begin by opening the ChatGPT app. On the welcome screen, look for the option to create a new account and tap Sign Up. Instead of choosing email or phone, select Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Apple. This is the key step that allows you to bypass entering a phone number during initial setup. Next, you'll log in with your Google or Apple account. Choose the account you want to use and follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your device, you may be asked to confirm your identity with your passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, or your Google password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might see a verification code prompt. Simply enter the code sent to your trusted device or app to continue. These checks are normal and help keep your account secure. Once the verification is complete, the app will return you to ChatGPT and finish creating your account based on your Google or Apple login. You won't be asked for a phone number at this point. From here, you can start using ChatGPT as you normally would. Ask questions, generate ideas, or explore features right away. A quick tip: make a note of which Google or Apple account you used, especially if you have multiple accounts on your device. You'll need that same account to sign in later and to manage settings or subscriptions tied to your profile. Also, if you ever switch devices, using the same sign-in option makes it easy to get back into your account. One important note before we wrap up: while you can access ChatGPT without providing a phone number during sign-up, certain features like enhanced security checks or account recovery may still ask for a number later on. That's optional for basic use, but it can be helpful if you want an extra layer of account protection. And that's it. Open the app, tap Sign Up, choose Google or Apple, complete the verification, and you're in. No phone number required for basic access. Enjoy exploring ChatGPT and make the most of it right away.